Unraveling the Mystery of PSD. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to demystify the acronym PSD. You might have come across it in various contexts. But have you ever wondered what it actually means? Let's dive in. PSD stands for Photoshop Document. It's a proprietary file format used by the software Adobe Photoshop. This software is commonly used for graphic design, photo editing, and digital art. The PSD format is special because it allows designers to save their progress with layers intact, giving them the flexibility to make changes even after the initial save. Sometimes, you might hear someone say, "Send me the PSD." This usually means they want the original Photoshop file with all the layers, so they can edit or view the design's components individually. When you receive a PSD file, you're essentially getting a deep look into the designer's process, as you can see every element and layer they used to create the final piece. For designers, PSD files are invaluable. Here's why. Flexibility. With a PSD, changes can be made to one layer without affecting the others. Preservation. It ensures that original elements, like text, images, or effects, are preserved and can be tweaked without starting from scratch. Collaboration. Designers can share their PSD files with others, allowing for collaborative efforts where multiple people can provide inputs or make modifications. And there we have it. The next time you encounter the term PSD, not only will you know what it stands for, but you'll also appreciate the depth and flexibility it offers to the design world. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning and stay curious.